Hey, where are we? We are in Gundamagere. Gundamagere, no, Salish? Kere, by the way, means lake here in South India. Oh my God, Salish, your drone has gone so up. There's the lake here. We've been here a couple of times for picnic, for camping. We have cooked also. And this guy, look at this. Look at this guy. And that's Gundamagere. It's very hot, yeah. But still we wanted to shoot this place. We were nearby here, so we came here. Everything has dried up. There's no rainfall since 7 months, no, Sailesh?
Yes.
Yeah. But still the lake is all right, man. It's like as it is the time we saw, and it's still the same. Beautiful lake, beautiful picnic spot it has got all around. And this is one of the place that we have seen. This is how it looks. Quite dry. No rainfall in Bangalore. Where is your drone?
Return to home.
Look at this stretch. But it's quite easy, huh? There's no rain, no, there's no water clogging over here. But still then. How is this road, yeah, Sailesh?
Good. So people, you might have seen the drone shot. To reach there, you have to come through this road. You don't need a 4x4. Even I think normal vehicle will come if you are an experienced driver. But just look at this, man. This is such a vibey place. And you just saw the drone shot from top. It's a offbeat location, very close to Bangalore. So yeah.
Swim, Justin, swim. Swim, good. Hey, don't drink that water, Baba. Swim, Justin, swim. Swim, Justin, swim. stayed here only, remember? And the other side of the wall we camped, that side, no? Look at this.